Welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint University. In this tutorial, I am going to show you 5 colorful hanging infographic option slide in PowerPoint, and this is how the slide works. When I click, it will show you the option 1 with the icons and the text. Then this is the step 2, the step 3, and again the step 4 and step 5 comes from right side. And I have made one more slide. You can see here all this is completely, it's from this end to this end, and if you want you can add more options also. Again, this is the first step, this is second, third, fourth and fifth. So let's see how to create this beautiful infographic slide in PowerPoint. Add a new slide and change to gradient fill. Then go to Insert, Shapes. Under Rectangles, select Rectangles Rounded Corners. Draw this much size and make it fully curved. Center align and reduce the size a little bit. And right mouse click, go to Format Shape and Fill. I'm going to use some, maybe let me just use a white color. And then go to Effects, Shadows. Under Presets, go to Inner and select Inside Center and increase the blur size. And Shape Outline, make it no outline. Then go to Insert again, Shapes, select the rounded corner rectangle again and draw in the center a smaller one. This also you make it fully curved. Shape Outline, make it no outline and give some dark color. Let me just reduce further and center align and go to Effects, Shadows and select, you can select maybe this one which is inside top left. So this our design is ready. So let's design or draw the options. I'm going to insert an oval shape. For that, go to Insert, Shapes and select an oval shape and hold the Shift key while dragging the shape. And here I'll make it not 2.8, I'll make it 2.4. Width and height the same. And I'm going to say a gradient fill. And gradient fill, I'm going to use 2 stops. And here I'm going to select 2 different colors. Maybe let me just select first this green, and I'm going to select maybe this green and type, make it linear, and we can select maybe this one and increase the transparency level. I need some transparency here, so let me make it maybe 20, and this also I'll make it maybe 25. And shape outline, I'm going to select the gradient, making it 2 stops. One stop I'll make it green color, the other one I will make it white and fully transparent. If you want, you can change the angle of the line also. And then I'm going to insert one more small oval shape. I'm going to make a hole in this one, make very small and oval shape and zoom it and put it exactly in the center, maybe here. I think this is okay. Then select the larger or the bigger one and then select the smaller oval shape. Go to format, merge shape and just say subtract. So you got this shape here. Now you can press Ctrl D also, you can duplicate and start changing the colors according to your requirement. So here I'm going to use maybe some orange with yellow, maybe combination. Let's see how it looks. And line color also I'm going to change to orange, and if you want you can change the angle also of the line. Alright, so I'm going to add 5 more options or 3 more now. Let me just make this more transparent also. I will make it maybe 50%, and this one I'll make it say 30%, and this also I'll make it 50%, and this one I'll make it 30%. And then select this and go to effects and just say reflection, and you can select any reflection here. If you want the size to be reduced, you can reduce the size. If you want reduce the transparency also, you can reduce it. So let me just reduce a little bit. I think this is okay. Press Ctrl D. I'm going to add, as I said, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and I'm going to place 1 at the back, 2 at the back and 3 at the front. So this and this will go back. I'll select this, format, send this to back, and then start changing the color. I'll use maybe some purple and some light purple. Then for this I'm going to use maybe blue. I'll use some light blue, and here I'm going to use maybe this color. All right, so you can arrange in a way where it looks like 2 or 3 in the front and 2 at the back. So once this is done, I'm going to add one more smaller oval shape which is hanging with a thread. So I'm going to insert shapes, oval shape, draw the smaller one here, and shape fill, make it white, shape outline, make it no outline, and you can give some shadow effect here, maybe this one, and then press Ctrl D, reduce the size, and I'm going to select this, go to home, format painter, and click on this one. You can reduce the size a little bit here and place it in the center, and make sure to remove the transparency or reflection here. We don't want any reflection. And select both of these, format, align center and align middle, and you can press Ctrl G to group it also. So this is one, Ctrl D, I'll make it here. We can arrange later on 3 4 and 5. Let me just ungroup this, and I'm going to use again the format painter, and I'm going to again remove the reflection, and then you can group it back. Select the option and press Ctrl G. So I'm going to insert again shapes, and I'm going to draw a thread which is going from the center. I have to bring it in the center also, this one. And make this as a black color. Zoom in. If you want, you can increase the weight, maybe this much. And then go to insert shapes, select this one which is the curve, double click, give the same black outline, select this again, press Ctrl D and rotate it. And put it here and send this to back. You can see this one here, and if you want, you can add some more smaller lines here, kind of let me just add the 2-3 here, so that it should look like a knot kind of thing. Alright, so if you see here, it looks something like this. Then again, you have to start arranging now. Press Ctrl D, and I'm going to put it here, and then you have to add the knot. So this one, let me just put it this here, 1 2 3 4 and 5. And if you want equal spaces, then just say distribute horizontally, so it will have the equal spaces. So let me just put this straight, and this one, you can see the lines there. I want this to be here and this to be yes. Okay, and press Ctrl D and put one here, the other end in this one. And the last thread. Alright, now we have to just add this one, the knot which is here. I will just copy it here, all these things. I will select Ctrl D and bring it here. This should be here only. Ctrl G also you can make it. Bring it here and ungroup this and select only this and send to back. See, like this. So just copy the same, this one to Ctrl D and Ctrl G, and here just copy it everywhere, all the 5 options. So I have added the thread and the knot to all the options, and then I'm going to select each option and press Ctrl G to group it. Then select the second option, press Ctrl G to group. The third option, group it. Fourth option I'm going to group, and the fifth option. And before grouping, it's better to add some text and icons also. So let me just insert some icons. If you have Office 365, then you can directly insert the icons, or you can go to the nounproject.com and insert the icons. So I'm just going to select this first icon, second, third, fourth, and say maybe this one, fifth. And you can change the color to white, or you can use simple colors also. And then you can add your text here. I'll center a line, make this as white. Control D to group it. And let me group this again. It's better to add the text and then group it rather than doing the jobs two times. And the last option, group it. So you can see here our design is almost ready. So just we need to do the animation now. To add the animation, close the format background, go to animations, enable the animation pane, select this one and just say fly in. Fly in, you can say from left also, and double click, you can increase the bounce end and just say okay. So it will be something like this, or if you want, make it somewhat slower, maybe faster, not the very fast, just make it fast, or you can select medium also. Let me just select medium. All right, then I'll select this using animation painter. I'll copy the animations to all other options, double click this one. So I want here, then I want this to be here, this two also, the last one. That's it. And then these two animations I want to start from right. So let's see how the animation looks here. So you can see this is the first option, then the second, the third option, fourth option, and fifth options. So that's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, PowerPoint University.